Today, we're diving into the IPO for AlbaLink, a very unique Japanese real estate company. Let's get into it.
So here are the core details. The company is AlbaLink, and they're listing on the Tokyo Stock Exchange.
AlbaLink's growing like crazy, but their model is kind of like a black box for international investors. So what's their secret? They basically create a market for distressed properties, the kind of stuff that mainstream firms just won't touch. To really get what they do, you first have to wrap your head around three uniquely Japanese ideas. First up, Akiya. These aren't just empty houses, They represent a deepening national crisis in Japan. And get this, by 2030, there are projected to be over 4.7 million of them. That creates a continuous supply. Next, psychological defects. Japanese law actually defines this stigma, creating a very specific niche that AlbaLink targets. And finally, third-party contracts. It's a legal method that makes them way more capital efficient, saving on taxes and time. So how does this all click together? Well, the company is basically a tech-enabled human engine. And this right here is the core tension. Their technology scales, but the high-touch human side of the business doesn't. An employee review really nails it. At its heart, this is a labor-intensive model. It's all about people. But, this kind of growth comes with some serious growing pains and some very real business risks. The company's own filings point to its main vulnerabilities, from depending on search engines to potential regulatory changes. And what are insiders saying? That this rapid growth is creating chaos, and the systems just aren't keeping up.
So what's the final verdict for an investor? Let's break down who this is really for.
This might be a fit if you want high growth exposure to Japan and you have a high tolerance for risk. However, if you're looking for a pure tech play or global expansion, this probably isn't the one for you. Ultimately, when you look at all the data, the entire story really boils down to one single critical challenge. Can they build a truly mature organization out of this startup chaos? The answer is going to define AlbaLink's future.